What's going on, people? Welcome. Today we got a 2020 Ford Explorer. Okay, it's got 2.3 liter engine. It's got a couple lights on the dash. Service 4-wheel drive light on. Wrench light is on. Hill start assist not available. Pre-collision assist not available. And service advanced track light is on. Okay. No other drivability issues other than just the lights staying on. About to bring it inside and see what taranga's going on with this thing, huh? This right here. Let's get it inside. Alright, we're reading these codes. We'll see what kind of codes it has. And then we'll go from there, huh? These are just the common DTCs got in there. Oh, we got, what is this? PCM not responding, what? What do you mean PCM is not responding? Now it's responding. PAM is not responding. Okay, let me just clear these. Seems like we have a hard fault anyway. Because I don't know which module I need to do a self-test on, so we're just going to clear them and see. Okay. So just made that a little bit bigger for you. So we have lost communication with transfer case control module, lost communications with gateway A. The all-wheel drive module is not responding. And we have that one code. So I want to focus on this module that is not responding here. I'm going to look at the diagram and see what we got to do. All-wheel drive. Select that one. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Here's the module. So there's a fuse, 40 amp fuse on the battery junction box under the hood and communication lines. Okay, we are just gonna go check this fuse real quick. Or where's this connector here? It's hard to get to under the driver's seat. Well, it might not be that hard to get to if it's not under the carpet, because it might be under the carpet. And since, let me see, the ground is case ground, so it's bolted to the body of the vehicle, so it's probably under the carpet. Let me look and see, make sure if I can see that connector. Let me see what does it look like. Okay, so this is the connector. There's no direct, no ground going to it, because it gets its ground through the bolt. I'm assuming it's kind of like it will look kind of like a RCM, like an airbag module. So that's what the connector looks like. So let me go under here and see if we can see it. Oh, wait a minute. Check this out. I was moving the seat. This thing's broken. Okay. Let's see here. It's not this one. That's for the seat. Is it down here? Oh, see this thing? See this right here? There's a module right here. Bet you it's that one. And the connector is right here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Come over here. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let me get a test light on. Okay, so we're looking for a violet and white pin 1 in case ground. Pin 1 is this corner one on the top. As you can see, these two have a pin, and this one has an empty hole. See how that one is darker? That's because there's not a wire in there. Like these two, they have wires, but not that one. So pin 1 is the one on this side. Alright, so these two bottom ones have pins, and this one has a pin, and not that one. So this must be our guy right here. I got the big test light. We're gonna hook it up right now. See what taranga's going on with this thing, huh? So we're just gonna take one of these leads and touch that pin number 1, and we're gonna touch the case on the module. And as you can see, our light lights. We got good power, good ground to the module. Okay, next thing that we need to do is check these communication lines, which is pin 8 and 9. Okay. Make sure we talking. 8 and 9 are right here, next to 2 empty holes. Okay. I'm gonna be using this right here to check for communication real quick. Let's see. Let's go. See. This trigger, 5 volt, 10 millisecond. That will be fine. I get my ground right here. All right. And we're gonna be looking for 2 empty holes on the row 1, which these 2. It has to be that one is dead. Nothing on that one. And 3, which is these 3. There's nothing here. Nothing here. That'll be that one. Okay. Here we go. That's the high side. 2.5 to 3.5. The negative side of the scan bus should be 1.5 to 2.5. Which would be this one. And there we go. That's pretty much it. We got power, ground, and communication. So we need a module. All the other communication codes, when you have a module that is not communicating on the data bus, the other modules are expecting to receive messages from it. When they don't get it, there's problems, there's issues, okay? So we'll see if we have one. I doubt it. I gotta order one. We do actually have one that was ordered for somebody else. We don't have an appointment until next week, so we're just gonna use it, order another one. Let's see, what do we gotta do here, huh? How do we take this all-wheel drive module out? All-wheel drive module. One left hand side. Okay. Oh wow. Apparently you gotta remove the seat. Left hand side, removal and installation. Well, they want you to remove the seat. I don't know about that. Let's see. Okay. I think we can get it. For what I can see, this is a new one. It's only got 2 bolts. Because I can see this hole and there's nothing there. So it sits like this. So there should be a bolt right here. Screw. There we go. There's one. The other one should be under this duct here. Back here. And there it is. I can get to it just fine. Got an 8mm right here. Oh, they're 10. God damn. Alright. 10. There we go. There we go. There we go. Some other nut right there. I'm gonna get this flex head. Try to get under here. Trying to get you a better view here. To remove this. I'm working on this back one here. Got it loose. Should be able to get it with just by hand now. Oh, here we go. Oh yes, give it to me. Give it to me. Oh yeah. The other one? Oh. Well, it's not responding anyway, so. A lot of times you gotta do a PMI on them. You basically have to get the information off of the old module and put it on the new one, but this is not responding, so we can't do that anyway. Or maybe it's got another one. Oh, it's got another one right here. There we go. Easy. Come on. Oh, yes. 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 There's the old one. New one. Put this baby in here, huh? Let's get it in here. Mm-hmm. This connector all the way here. There we go. Are we in? Boom. We in. We putting this shit up. I've got it. Let's go. I'm living on the edge. Let's go around the General Benjamins. There we go. This back one tight here. Mm-hmm. So I don't know if this is gonna be like a common problem. I mean, we did have that one ordered for somebody else. So we'll see. There's that. This one. This one. Here we go. We're in there. Scorp it back how it goes. I think this one was underneath. Like that. There we go. There we go. There's that. Now we got to program it. I got the power supply on there. Look. All-wheel drive module's got a code in it now. Okay, so let's click on the all-wheel drive module, PMI. Let's run that. See. This was built September 18th. So yes, it was. Zero connector plugged into the front axle, disconnect actuator or intermediate shaft. Okay, let me go check on that. There is a connector. So yes. Okay. Nope. Turn the ignition on, engine off. We got it on. Done. Turn the key off. Oh, key off. Okay. It's okay to continue. So yeah, we're just gonna clear these and see what happens, huh? See if we fixed it. Boom, there you go. We still got it, boys. We still got it. The mess is still on there. Turn it off. All you gotta do is turn it off, turn it back on. Open and close the door. Turn it back on. Son of a biscuit. We still got it there, boys. We still got it. Let's see. It doesn't look like we have any more codes on that thing. So let's see. Maybe we need to do some special. Something special, huh? What we doing this all-wheel drive module that I didn't read because I didn't read this whole thing. Installation, carry out. Using the scan tool, complete PMI. Yes, I did that. The transfer case 16-digit off. Let's locate it. Using the scan tool, complete the active torque coupling configuration for the all-wheel drive module. So we got to do that. So we got to go get this stupid code here from the transfer case. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Is that the code? Take a picture. Take a picture. Siri, take a picture. I guess I should have read that, but whatever. No big deal. Alright. All-wheel drive. Active. This one. Active torque coupling configuration. We'll need that. We'll get that done. Carry out, okay. This procedure must be performed after, yes. So new transfer case has been installed, okay. That's what we did, all right. Starts with the letter, I got the code. All right, I got that code in there. Let's see. Successful. All right, I think that's it, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see now. We still have the lights. Oh yes. Yes, no more lights. Oh yes. So there you go, that's it. I'm not sure exactly what happened to this old model, but it's messed up. Can't even open it, so I gotta send it back. It's warranty. Alright, that's it. Let's go get another one.